I want to talk about my new toy, iSteady XE. This is a three-way smartphone stabilizer. Basically, it's a gimbal because I use a holder for my iPhone at the moment that I use as a webcam, and it's behind my monitor, but I've always wanted to have it in front over here to get a better angle. But because of the size of my monitor, it's behind. But the problem I've had though is that if I ever position anything like a tripod on my table, as you type and move your mouse, the table might move just a little bit and it destabilizes the footage. Well, now I've got this and it is a gimbal and I'm really liking this. Before you're wondering, no, you don't have to always hold it in your hand. You do get a little tripod as well. So let's go and connect that in. That is nice and stable. The device does need to be charged up when you're using it because it is electronic, but it comes with a USB-C port, which means it's pretty versatile. So if you've already got USB-C adapters lying around, you don't have to go and start swapping things. Just plug it in and away you go. Now, when you do get this, there is a QR code in here which allows you to install an app. And the reason why the app's important is because there are some features on here. Down here, there's a little switch which you can basically control the zoom in and the zoom out of your phone. And there are some other features as well, but I think that is really cool. So if you've gone and positioned it and you decide you want to suddenly zoom in on your face or whatever, you can literally just do that on the button. You don't have to start touching the phone. So I'm going to go and add my phone over to the device and then I'm going to turn it on. Did you hear that? Here's where it gets really cool, okay? You see this little button over here? Can you see how it's nudging it? Like that. You literally have a joypad over there. And here's the other neat feature as well. Over here, there's a button. If I hit that, it turns it over to portrait. I hit it again. Flips it back over to landscape. So really, really quickly, you can flip it around. What I really do like, though, is how you have options for like pan, tilt, and pan, follow, or you can lock it. And you can even use this button down here to switch it from the back camera to the front camera. At the moment, mine is on the back camera like that. So you can see the camera is positioned, and I've got it in front of my current webcam. And I would say it's almost about 20 to 25 centimeters ahead of the lens of the camera over there. So this is the iSteady XE positioned over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try and shake the table a little bit. And I just want to see how much does the cam shake. In being able to just flip the screen from portrait to horizontal and kind of start rotating the angle of it as well. By the way, I'm using the joypad here to do the tilt and the up and down. I'm not just maneuvering it by my hand. This is really, really good. And I love the way that how you can zoom in and zoom out. It allows me to start having a closer camera feel if I ever want to employ that rather than using the one behind my monitor. And not have to now overly worry too much about shaking the table, because that really was a problem for me. You know, you really notice the rattle. But here, I was, it might not have looked like it, but I was proper shaking the table there. And it worked really, really well for me. I mean, this is really, really affordable. It's the iSteady XE smartphone stabilizer. If you're out and about and you're not just doing video recordings on the table, this could really work for you. And once you position it, or you hit the position to like pan, tilt, or follow, and you're walking around, it stays in place. It stays focused on you. So if you're walking around and, you know, as you move, you know, you don't want to suddenly switch the camera away from your face and it starts to record something else. This could work for you. And I'm planning on doing some videos with Hohem for his channel where he's going to do some adventures and I'm going to follow him. This will help to keep the camera steady and I can't wait to try that out with him. I mean, look at this. It is staying in a horizontal position. This is super good. I could have a lot of fun with this.